Okay. So we
I
have.
brought you money from my night. Well, thank you, ho. Give me my money, ho. Slap, 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 slap. Hey, my dime bag is loose. Hey. Well, then I pinched you. Pinch, pinch, pinch. It's like, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. I want my money back. It's not fair. I should not be able to sell myself on the streets. I am no whore. Like,
Prostitute, Jordan, prostitute.
prostitute. I am your pimps. Therefore, hey, it's 11:13. Therefore, I keep your money. Wahaha. 2, 4, 6, $60. You fucking bitch. Give me back all my money. Give me. I have to feed my family. Like, give me back all my money. Sit. You are violent, Foggy. I need to feed my family. Where is it? Wait, seriously, where'd the rest of my money? Oh, I'm gonna go get the money. Find them. You. Finally, I got the money. Thank you, poor whore, not poor whore. Haha, you're a poor.
Prostitute.
You're prostitutes. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, I am so good. Haha, you fell on Miranda. Haha, and you broke your back. Broke back mountain.
And he's gone.
Moo. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm gonna do that again. That's kind of fun. I'm rich.
Hey, give me $20. Don't give me, just give me $20.
What are you doing?
Oh, Jordan.
Don't.
Come on.
My money. My precious. Ooh.
Bye, Jordan.
What, you're filming this?
Yeah.
Shit. Leave it.
No.
Fine then, at least I will go down in the curse sea. Goodbye.